Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss tomorrow's trading plan. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, last night I said there was no video because quite simply there was nothing to talk about. Tuesday, just nothing worked. We had a report on a Nasdaq small cap for our subscribers that did nothing on Tuesday, and I was just frustrated. And I said on Twitter, what a crappy day in the market. Should have gone golfing. The good news is tomorrow is another day. Well, today was a much better day. Our Nasdaq small cap exploded 18% overnight, giving our subscribers some gains. So that made me happy and also sent me looking for another one. We have a new report on a Nasdaq Biotech trading just under $1 with a great chart setup. This one looks prime for a major breakout. To get that full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Moving on to today's market action. Like I said, today was a better day than yesterday, but it's still tough. I can see that the overall bullish enthusiasm is dying down. We are not getting the big triple-digit runners like last week, and now we're seeing Bitcoin and Tesla selling off. These are two of the best indicators of sentiment when it comes to trading small caps, and both are flashing a yellow light right now. Markets were disappointed with Tesla and Netflix earnings reports, so that is taking away some of the shine on the market. But the SPY is trading flat, so not a lot of movement there. Small cap sentiment is going to get further hit this week with the Wall Street Journal reporting that Bed Bath & Beyond is going to file for bankruptcy in the coming days. Guys, I've been talking about these names, particularly penny stocks, trade them, swing trade them, for overnight, a few days, best to day trade right now, trade them, don't own them, for Bed Bath & Beyond. If it does file for bankruptcy like the Wall Street Journal is reporting, it will get the Q symbol and trade on the OTC. But that is a bright spot because once it hits the OTC and gets the Q symbol, I mean, man, these stocks really take off on the OTC. I mean, today, look at today's action. SIVBQ up 69%, VORBQ up 54%, and SIVPQ up 35%. So again, it's not the end of the world, but again, don't become a bag holder. Don't own it. Don't hold it for that, when it hits the OTC, because a lot of people are going to do the final dump. Where this all shakes out on Bed Bath & Beyond, I have no idea. It closed at 45 cents, trading 37 cents in the after hours. Flip a coin. I have no position. But again, a lot of bag holders in Bed Bath & Beyond. There's a lot of them might just throw in the towel, and then price really gets hit. And then, like I said, once it hits the OTC, and that's when it's going to run again. So again, trade it, don't own it. I talk a lot about here on the channel about my opening range strategy. This is how I look for, I look at the stocks in play for the day, and then, trade a breakout of the first 15-minute candle. This strategy works for small caps, big caps, futures, you name it. I used it this week on Charles Schwab. It had earnings on Monday. Again, the market was down. In the pre-market, Schwab was down. The market didn't like it, but as soon as the market opened, the market liked it. So dip buyers came in, and I caught the move here from 50.5, and I'm trading with options. So again, that's what I like about the big caps, is that you got liquid options. It gives me that added leverage. So this is what I do. This is how I trade and make money in the markets. It's all about looking for stocks in play. I don't like being in too many names. I'm looking for those big runners, or great chart setups, and that I cover here on the channel, and also for our subscribers at insiderfinancial.com. So again, in the morning it's tough to do a pre-market video. To get send out an email or a text message is the fastest way to tell you guys what I'm watching, what I'm thinking, and also give you that full report on the stocks that I am researching. But if you look at today's market action, and if you talk about the opening range play, it shows you how it works. Like SAI, you got this candle here, but then I was watching this setup, and I didn't trade SAI. The strategy did work. I just didn't see the momentum today, because again, I just feel the sentiment is very weak right now. So again, it really has to be a prime setup for me to make that trade. But again, it did work. So again, it ran from just under 350 to 421. Not big gains, but again, it worked out. So again, the way it works is you look for the first 15 minutes, and then you play the breakout of that 15-minute bar, and you put your stop loss underneath that opening range. Or for me, a lot of times, if the trade's just not working out right away, I won't even wait for it to hit that stop loss. I'll just get out and wait for another trade setup another day. It's all about the momentum, and with momentum, either it works 9 out of 10 times, it's going to work right away, or it isn't. So again, been doing this a long time, just trying to provide an educational service here for you guys, help you guys make money, because that's at the end of the day, it's all about your P&L. It's not about diamond hands, paper hands, BS. Ignore all that noise. But there was a lot of FinTwit traders. They played CJJD, got absolutely crushed on Tuesday. A lot of people went in and bought the dip. At the end of the day, you're braver souls than me. I don't dip buy penny stocks. That is the fastest way to the poorhouse. You'll just end up becoming a bag holder in most cases. CJJD, traded down to just above 60 cents. Closed, where did it close? It closed at 67 cents. Hit just under a dollar. Hit 139 today. So it worked for you guys today. So again, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But again, it's just too risky for me, and I'm all about managing my risk. I follow the Warren Buffett axiom. Rule number 1 is don't lose money. Rule number 2, follow rule number 1. So that's what I try to do. That's my focus when it comes to my own trading. But some names, also VY. So CJJD, if you were doing the opening range strategy, it kept you out of it. It opened at 135, ran to 139, but it closed at on the opening range 113. So again, it never got above that 139, and it really just kept you out of the trade. And we closed at 111. So again, the only way you made money in CJJD was buying it yesterday at the close, then flipping it at the opening. So again, that is the only trade that worked intraday. It was a tough day. VYNE was a big runner, up 42%. Had a big candle here. Again, I didn't see the momentum here, and then it got going here, at the 10:15, 10:30. But again, it just rallied to $5, and then sold off. So again, it was a choppy day, and I stayed out of it. So again, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. Three names that I'm watching for tomorrow are GETR, CXAI, and UIHC. So there's a lot of chatter on these names in the after hours. I have no position. I will watch them for the opening range play tomorrow. I think that's the best way to trade these. Again, there's just there's a bull-bear battle in all three names. GETR, first up, has just a $35 million market cap. This is a D-SPAC, busted SPAC, trading at just 0.59 times sales, 0.05 times book. But what I don't like about this name here is they announced preliminary financial results for the full year 2022 and provides full year 2023 outlook. But again, it says receives continued listing standard notice from NYSE and expects to file notification of delayed 2022 Form 10K. So again, and then you look here, based on the preliminary, these are unaudited financial and other information. The company expects to report the following unaudited. So again, it says here, this is GETR has not completed preparation of its financial statements for the year ended December 31st. This is a red flag to me. I don't like this stuff, but again, this is why I would not do a research report on GETR. Too many red flags. But again, trade it. I don't care about the fundamentals when it comes to trading. If there's an opportunity to make money, take advantage of it. Moon Market's talking about it tonight. So again, he's got a following. So again, I think there's going to be some action here in GETR tomorrow. So again, let's play it by day by day. But again, I think there's a trade setup tomorrow. If there's a trade setup tomorrow based on the 15 minutes, it could be an opportunity. Next up is CXAI. A lot of people talking about this one. This one here, we nailed this one last week. Was a good opportunity for our subscribers. But again, it's a tough action in the after hours. Has just a under 1 million share float, so easy for this one to get going, but there's talk of an offering. So again here, S1 filing looks like a 7 million share offering. That's not good news. Trading higher in the after hours, so let's see how tomorrow's action is. Lastly is UIHC. This is another one, talking about this one on Stock Twits. This one here, UIHC also has an 8K out after hours. Let's see what the company is saying here. Oh, here's what this guy's saying. Godfather knows. Optimism short squeeze after hours seems to be recovery, and most of what was lost yesterday when the insurer warned of doubt about its ability to continue as a going concern. This release after hours suggests that the Florida regulator has agreed to allow them to split. So again, the United Insurance says United entered memorandum with Florida Department of Financial Services, Division of Rehabilitation and Liquidation. So again, this is another trade, not a long-term hold. Let's see how the action is. So again, guys, go and watch my other videos. I talk about I do more examples of the opening range strategy. I backtest it. I discuss it in real time, and it works. So again, just trying to give you a strategy that helps you make as much money as possible. And please remember, play momentum. Buy green. Don't be dip buying or averaging down. That's the fastest way to the poorhouse. But the stock that I really like tomorrow is a Nasdaq Biotech trading under $1. Click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.